Okay, so now I will talk about a single factor experiment. That single factor experiment is where you change one factor at a time. As an example here, for example, we have the engine size as small, tires as all season, fuel type as regular, load as light load. This is run 1. You move the second run, again small, again all season, again regular, but we change this one. Okay, you see, we change one factor at a time. So 1, 2, 3 remains the same, but the last one only changes. If you move to the next run, you can see that we have the small all-season tires, light load, which are the same as in the run 1. Okay? We only change the premium. You see, at once 3 remains as not changed, but only one variable changes. Okay? Or here we have small, we have the regular, as in the first one we have the light load, but this one only changes. Okay? So we change one level of the variable at a time, but the rest remains the same. But instead, if you go something like, instead of small, you go large here, you will have two variables changing at once. That's not a single factor experiment. Okay, that's what it means for a single factor experiment.